Sorry, the workbench right here. Get a better view of that. It is, like I said, 4 that way by 2 that way. Great workbench. It's just not a good joinery workbench. It's not good for pounding on and hammering and all that because it's not as sturdy because it's on wheels. So I want to rebuild a solid double layer 3/4 MDF thick double layer 3/4 MDF. So it'll be crap, I suck at math, 1.5 inches, right? Yeah, 1.5 inches. Which will be awesome. I want to try and include a flip top on one side so that I can include my a planer when I get one. I almost said my planer. I don't have a planer. I wish I did. But I want to include a flip top so that I can do that eventually. Yeah, but moving along, some lumber storage, some scraps and stuff. Drill press. On this drill press stand I built out of 2x10s. It has a little shelf in there and stuff. Pretty neat. This is the Ryobi 10-inch drill press, I believe. Pretty great tool. Moving along, this is my leather bench slash assembly bench slash work surface. I have my leather under there, and I have to set up the rest of my leather tools. They're right there on the shelf. But for now, this is kind of just a second work surface slash leather working table. Above that, my lumber storage, I have some 2x4s, 2x6s, some walnuts, some pines, some pallet wood, a bunch of that. Moving along, my scraps bin. This shelf, which is basically empty, this is my finished project shelf. And then moving over to here, that's my burn bin. I like to call it the burn bin. I put wood in there that I'm gonna burn that I don't need anymore. Under here, packing materials, another table saw that I was testing out, and some paint and glue and lacquer thinner. Then second shelf, all my handheld power tools, sanders, what's that thing called? Router, biscuit joiner, planer, yeah, all sorts of stuff there. And then behind this shelf, oh wait, sorry, third shelf, all my hardware organizers, all 3 of them, and some screws. And then top 2 shelves is extra lumber storage. So you can see up here, I've got some mesquite log blanks, some oak, some Costa Rican cedar, and some 3/4 ply, and then some OSB 1/2 inch. Back here, just kind of some junk. I've got to organize that. Behind the shelf, though, is my plywood storage. Next to it, the router table. I need to move this in relation to that because this table is just like 1/2 inch higher than this table, so they don't line up. And that's the problem. I also want to I have 2 extension wings for this, and I want to put them on. Like I said, this cart, gotta put that stuff up somewhere. My safety gears on the windowsill. This is one of the newest additions in workbenches, other than modifying that one, but this is one of the newest additions. This is my small assembly cart slash heavy duty table. I'm really not sure. I just wanted to have fun. I had some extra 2x4s and I made this like, I know it's not butcher block, but it's kind of butcher block, so it's close enough. And I made that, and it's just got a simple base with some really simple kind of crappy drawers that I want to rebuild, but for now, they're fine. And next to it is all my clamps. I say all as a very light word because I don't have that many clamps, but I'm building up my collection. I just got a bunch more. I've got some 6-inch clamps here and here and there, and then some strap clamps, 1-inch, 2-inch spring clamps. These are like 99 cents at Home Depot. They're great, pick up a bunch of them. 3-foot bar clamps, 2-foot bar clamps, 2-foot squeeze clamps. I've got 6-inch squeeze clamps somewhere over here holding something down. I forgot where they went, but they're holding something down. Oh, they're on that. That's right. I totally just went over those. Yeah, 6-inch squeeze clamps, quick release, whatever you want to call them. 5-foot bar clamps, 2 aluminum 5-foot bar clamps, 3-foot bar clamp right here. Yeah, that's my small clamp collection. I've got some Bessies, and the rest are all Harbor Freight, and then these are Irwin Quick Grips. And then coming back past the door, we just made a full circle. So then going to the middle now, this is, like I said, the temporary table saw that I have, the RTS 31 15 amp 10-inch table saw. I actually really like this thing. I'm looking forward to using it. But I'm also looking forward to having my own. So it's got this built-in miter table. Very handy, actually. I haven't used it yet, but I can just see myself. I don't want to use this table saw till that riving knife's in. It's very dangerous. But it's got up to 31 inches of rip capacity to the left of the blade. No, to the right of the blade. What am I saying? To the right of the blade. And it's got like 11 inches to the left of the blade. Oh, I'm sorry. I totally messed that up. 8 inches, apparently. It doesn't make sense, but whatever. 8 inches to the left of the blade. It's got this sliding miter gauge table. The only complaint I have about this is it's hard to set up the angles. You gotta like get a square to make sure it's accurate. But that thing's great. Love it for now. Like I said, my assembly table, I put 2 sheets of OSB on top, and then under that is 2 sheets of 1/2-inch plywood. So it's pretty thick tabletop. But like I said, this is temporary, so I didn't glue anything. It's got like 7 screws holding it down. And then my Wen 10-inch bandsaw. This is my newest tool that's actually mine. That's my newest tool, but this is my newest tool that's mine. I don't know if you guys, did I do a video on that? I honestly can't remember. I'm just so excited about my shop, I forgot about everything else, but I might have done a video on this. This I got like a month ago. Love this thing. I've got a 1/2-inch Timberwolf, I forgot how many TPI it is, honestly, but resaw / ripping and cross-cutting blade. And then I also have somewhere else a like 3/16, no, not 3/16, 3/8, something like that. I don't remember honestly, but for curves. So yeah, that's basically, oh, one more cool feature that we included. You can see the vacuums under there. Sorry if I just destroyed your eardrums, but I had to show you the vacuum feature. So, very excited about this new shop. Excuse me, give me 1 second. Very excited about this new shop. I'm sorry that this video is probably gonna suck because I don't really care about camera quality right now. But yeah, I'm so excited. I don't even know how to describe it, but can't wait to do my first project in here. Not sure what it's gonna be. I really am wanting to use the table saw, and I feel like if I start a project and I want to use the table saw, I'm gonna use the table saw and then I'm gonna get hurt. So I kind of don't want to start a project. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I made my first sale on my website, which is really exciting. It was the 4-piece cheese set that you guys saw the video on me making the cheese boards. You guys saw the video on me making the cheese boards, and then I sold it as a set with 2 hickory butter, no, not cheese knives that I made. Sold for $75. So that's pretty exciting. I'm shipping that out today. Yeah, I think that's it in news. I mean, other than the fact that I'm in my new shop, I think I've gone over all the details. I mean, if you guys want more details on how we put this thing together and brought it to shop ready conditions, go check out my other video. I'll link it. Where does it show up? I'm trying to think of one. It'll be in this corner, I think. I'll put a link to it on the little eye thing. And I'll also have a link in the description and on the end screen. So make sure you go watch that if you want more details, or just watch it anyways because it's a cool video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm super excited, and I'm gonna mess around with some wood. Well, I'm gonna put the rest of that stuff away and then do some final shots and pictures. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, check out my website if you'd like to purchase anything. Got some pretty cool stuff there for sale. I also take custom orders if you'd like me to build anything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.